Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A 8.0 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply LED keyboard on this tablet. Firstly, open Play Store and type LED keyboard. Then you need to download this app from this developer. Now open it. Click Get Started, then tap OK. And click on the switcher next to LED keyboard. Click OK again. Choose Input Options and select LED keyboard one more time. Now pick one of the options by tapping on the chosen one and select keyboard that you like the best. I will go with that one, so I have to click on it and choose Get Theme. Now when I go back, I can see that my keyboard was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!